Hello everyone, Fuelvin here. This is honestly one of the hardest videos I've ever had to make, but I knew this day would eventually come. I am officially quitting Scratch. I've been thinking about this for a really long time, and it definitely has not been an easy decision. I mean, Scratch has been an enormous part of my life. From spending thousands of hours making games and tutorials, teaching tens of millions of people online, to even teaching schools and nonprofits worldwide. I owe it to Scratch for helping me get to where I am today, and allowing me to make a genuine impact. But more importantly, I owe it to you guys, the incredible community that has supported me for so many years. Words cannot describe how grateful I am, and it's because of you that I want to be honest about where I'm at, why it's time for me to move on from Scratch, and what's coming next. And be sure to stay till the end. I have a big announcement for this channel that you won't want to miss. But first, you're probably wondering how I got here, how I'm here in front of a screen talking directly to you. To answer this question, let me take us all the way back to February 2014, where it all started. 11-year-old me had just created my Scratch account, Warfame. I heard about Scratch from my local coding organization, where they were showcasing a Pac-Man game made using Scratch. I thought it was so cool that you could create such a complex game with just blocks of code. It was like seeing magic for the first time. I immediately knew that I had to try it out for myself. And that's when I started using Scratch and dove headfirst into the world of coding. If you've ever created something, a game, a story, a piece of art, maybe even a project inspired by my tutorials, you know the excitement of bringing your imagination to life. That's what I felt when I coded in Scratch. I remember building my first game, a platformer, block by block, figuring out things as I went. It wasn't easy, but the moment it all came together was incredible. The sense of accomplishment I felt, that rush of excitement when something I made actually worked, was unlike anything else. And that feeling, that joy, is what kept me going. As time went on, things really started to take off. I kept making games, experimenting, learning new things, and before I knew it, my projects got front-paged. It was unbelievable, seeing people I'd never met enjoy the projects that I put out there. And that's when I realized I wanted to spread my knowledge and passion to you guys, so that you guys could create whatever you wanted just like me. So in May of 2017, I started my YouTube channel. I didn't want to just teach how Scratch works. I wanted to create full-on tutorial series, where you could create a complete game from start to finish that would be fun to play. And with that in mind, I created several tutorial series, one after another. At first, only a few dozen people watched my tutorials, but eventually, my audience grew. I started getting more viewers, more comments, more suggestions on what to make next. I spent months planning out entire games, breaking down each part of the development into separate videos so that anyone could easily follow. As my YouTube channel and Scratch account grew, I wanted to keep in touch with you guys. I created a studio on Scratch to help troubleshoot your projects, and I started a Discord server to help connect more personally with everyone. Fast forward a few years, and once I was in high school, I had created nearly a dozen tutorial series. Some of these series had up to 13 parts, with many of them reaching millions of viewers. And it's easy to get caught up in the numbers, but at the end of the day, it was the impact that really mattered to me. It was crazy seeing projects on the Scratch homepage inspired by my tutorials. I even received messages from teachers saying that they've used my tutorials in their classrooms. Knowing that students from around the world have learned and found inspiration from my tutorials meant so much to me. But of course, all good things must come to an end. In September 2021, I began my first year in university, studying computer science. I started to see a world beyond Scratch. I met new people, joined new clubs, and explored the vast field of computer science, taking complex classes like distributed systems, algorithms, machine learning, you name it. I was able to take time and explore what the real world had to offer. I studied abroad in Japan for 3 months. I interned at Amazon over the summer as a software engineer, and even ended up leading my university's game development club. And it was during all of these clubs, classes, and experiences that I realized something. I could make a bigger impact. I could go beyond Scratch and create something entirely new, something that could reach and inspire more people on a larger scale. And now, here I am, November 2024. It's my final year at university, and it feels like time has just flown by. Over these years, I've still been posting Scratch-related content, but now it's officially time for me to move on. And by move on, I do not mean quitting YouTube and Scratch forever. I've been working on a project called AstralCode, which allows you to learn text-based coding and game development. And I'm super excited to share it with you guys here on YouTube. If you're interested in learning text-based coding in a fun, Scratch-like way, then this is for you. I have a waitlist you can join, link is in the description below, and you can potentially be one of the first people to try it out. Again, thank you. Thank you for being a part of this journey, for supporting me, and for watching my videos. Scratch will always hold a special place in my heart. It's the platform that sparked my passion for coding in the first place. All being said, this isn't the end. This is the beginning of something new for this channel, and I can't wait to show you what's next. And as always, that's it for this video. See ya!